Hi and welcome everyone to More Physics Quickie, the channel. Very important lesson, at the same time very simple lesson. It's about the conversion between temperature units. Actually, we have 3 units for measuring temperature: degrees Celsius, Kelvin, and Fahrenheit. Degree Celsius is measured in degree Celsius, and it should be written like this: degree Celsius. Kelvin, capital K, Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit, F. And to convert between the 3 units, let's follow these instructions. The simplest thing is to convert from degree Celsius to Kelvin. The degree Kelvin equals the temperature in Celsius plus 273. And to reverse the calculation from Kelvin to degree Celsius, the equation is degree Celsius is K minus 273. What I mean here is, if you are given the degree Celsius and you are asked to get the Kelvin, just add 273 to the degree Celsius. And vice versa. If you are given the Kelvin degrees, then you are asked to get the degree Celsius, just subtract 273 from the degree Kelvin. A bit difficult conversion is here between Celsius and Fahrenheit. In order to convert from degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit, let's see the equation. If you are given the degree Celsius, then you are asked to get the Fahrenheit value equivalent to it. If the Fahrenheit equals open bracket, we have to calculate the bracket first, 1.8, a constant value, times the value of degree Celsius, then plus 32. Two things here that you have to consider in your calculations. The first is, please do the multiplication first in a bracket, then add 32. And this equation, the second is, this equation actually is 9 over 5, but I don't like to write it 9 over 5. Sometimes it makes troubles during the calculation using the calculator. I prefer if you write it 1.8, and it will be much easier to all of you. And for sure, vice versa, when we are asked to calculate the degree Celsius from Fahrenheit, the degree Celsius from Fahrenheit is 0.55 times, open bracket, the degree Fahrenheit minus 32. So that, firstly, subtract 32 from the given value of Fahrenheit. Then multiply all times 5 over 9, or 0.55. Now you can get the degree Celsius. For converting equation, you can use them to calculate whatever the degree, whatever the unit from the other. Now, let's have some examples using the formula given here to fix the problem at all of you. The first question is, in many ideal gas problems, room temperature is considered to be at 300 Kelvin to make calculations easier. What is the temperature in Celsius? Don't lose your time, guys, here. The question is talking about the ideal gas rooms, that we have to keep it at 300 Kelvin degree. You are asked to get the equivalent value in Celsius. It means you are asked to convert from Kelvin to Celsius according to the equation here. From Kelvin to Celsius, this arrow from Kelvin to Celsius, C equals K minus 273. So that's the answer. K minus 273 will give us the degree Celsius. Key here is 300 Kelvin minus 273, so that we have 27 degrees. This is the equivalent value of the 300 Kelvin. This is the optimum temperature in ideal gas. Second question. What is the Celsius equivalent of 80 degrees Fahrenheit? You are given the Fahrenheit degrees and you're asked to get the equivalent Celsius. If we go back to the formula sheet, we have the Fahrenheit and we are asked to get the Celsius. Here is the Fahrenheit and you're asked to get this, so I'm going to use this equation. Here is the equation. The degree Celsius is 0.05 times open bracket the Fahrenheit given minus 32. The Fahrenheit given here is an 80 degrees Fahrenheit. It's very simple to pick it out from the equation using the formula, using the unit. Therefore, the degree Celsius is 0.05 as it is times open bracket, substitute the value of the Fahrenheit degrees minus 32. Here it is 80 minus 32 times 0.55. It gives us almost 26.4 degrees Celsius. Once more, guys, don't forget to put a bracket in subtraction or addition before multiplying or division. Very important thing I have to stress on. Guys, don't forget to write down the units after finishing your calculation. Sometimes one of you writes to 26.4 without units. This is the easiest way to lose points. You are losing marks when you forget to write down units. Please don't forget to write down units. And it's very simple. Here you are asked to calculate it in Celsius. So the unit will be Celsius. The coming question is about the liquid oxygen that boils at normal pressure at negative 183 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature in Kelvin? Very simple. We want to get the K, Kelvin, from Celsius Kelvin. You know that K equals Celsius plus 273. K, Kelvin, the Celsius, which is this one, plus 273. The Celsius is negative 183 plus 273. The answer is 90. 90 what? 90 K. This is the unit, which is the Kelvin unit of temperature. Question. What is the Fahrenheit equivalent of 80 degrees Celsius? Here, you are asked to get the Fahrenheit from Celsius. Let's write down the equations that we know. Fahrenheit equals bracket 1.8 times degrees Celsius all plus 32. 1.8 as it is. Let's substitute the value of C by 80 plus 32. Therefore, the answer will be 176 degrees Fahrenheit. One more question. Oxygen freezes at negative 362 Fahrenheit. What is the Celsius equivalent of this temperature? Very simple one. C equals 0.55 times open bracket the Fahrenheit minus 32. Let's put 0.55 as it is. Substitute the value of F given in the equation here. 362 minus 32. Now the answer is negative 217 degrees. This is the optimum temperature to keep oxygen freezed. One extra question. Nitrogen freezes at negative 210 degrees Celsius. What is the equivalent Fahrenheit of this temperature? Very good. It's Fahrenheit, open bracket 1.8 times degrees Celsius, close the bracket, plus 32. Substitution. The value of C by negative 210. Don't forget to finalize the bracket first by calculator, then add 32. Don't make it one equation. Sometimes it makes mistakes. Here, the final answer, which is equivalent to 210 degrees Celsius. Thank you, everyone. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. to receive every new video. Thank you.